Hello, third grade. Let's get ready to make our cactus pinch pots. So everyone's gonna have a ball of clay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and split it right in half, just like that. So now we have 2 equal parts, and we're gonna roll it back into a ball shape. There's 1, and there's 2. So now we're gonna take 1 ball of clay and put the other one to the side, and this ball is gonna be our pot. So take your thumbs, put it in the center, and push down, turn it, push down, and turn it, push down. You're kind of making a crab motion with your fingers. And you just keep doing that. Just keep turning and pinching until you get a shape that kind of looks like a pot. It's okay if you have to fix it at all. Just go ahead and fix it. You want it to be a nice circular bowl shape though, so make sure that it looks like a pot. Now I'm going to use a sponge and I'm going to get it wet, and I'm going to smooth out the edges of my pot. I don't want it to look cracked. I want to get all those little wrinkles out and make it nice and smooth. This is going to help my clay piece look better. Craftsmanship is important. Make sure you smooth out every crack. You don't want it to accidentally crack when it goes in the kiln. And if you have to fix it, that's okay. Just go ahead and bend it back into shape. Now we're going to put that to the side and bring out the other ball of clay that we had. Twist a little bit off and roll it in your hands. This is going to be the start of your cactus. You guys can make any type of cactus you want, but I'm going to do the one that has the 2 arms sticking out. So I'm going to roll my clay now, and this is going to be an arm. So I'm kind of playing around with it, trying to see where I want to attach it. Now I'm going to push down and smooth it out. You want to make sure that your clay arm is attached, otherwise it's going to fall off later when it dries. So make sure it's really on there. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my other arm. Just repeat the same steps. Roll it out, attach it, make sure that it's on my cactus because I don't want it to fall off. You can always smooth out any wrinkles or seams that you see, and that'll help attach the clay even more. Now, if you'd like to, you can use a tool to add texture to your cactus. I'm just drawing really simple lines on this one, but you can use any type of tool to add texture. Now, if you have any clay left over, you can add more cacti to your pot. This one, I'm just going to roll out 2 or 3 pieces and attach them together. I have my first piece. Now I'm going to roll out my second piece. It doesn't have to be as long, and I can attach it wherever I'd like. And here's my third piece. This one's going to be probably shorter. There's all 3, and I'm going to squish them at the base and then roll it together. And at any point, if you think that you need water, go ahead and add water because your clay is going to constantly dry. Roll it out, try to get all of those cracks out, and you should be good to go. Keep adding details to your cactus. You can add another one to your pot. You can add little stones to put on at the bottom. That is up to you. But keep going. Don't waste any part of clay. Okay, now I have all 3 cacti that are ready to be added to my pot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slip and score the inside of my pot. Using my tool, I'm going to scratch into the clay, but I'm not going to go in all the way, just the little scratches. Next, I'm going to add some water, just a little bit, not a lot, and I'm going to get the inside wet. I'm going to pick up my cactus, find a spot that I want it to be, and then push down. Make sure that you're holding the top and the bottom. And you just want to keep repeating those steps. Sometimes if you twist and push down at the same time, it helps your cactus or your clay piece stick a little bit better. You don't want it to fall out or be loose. Smooth out any last minute wrinkles and then do the upside down trick. Flip it upside down, and if nothing falls out, you are good to go. And if you'd like to, you can always go back and add more texture to your cactus. You can draw lines on there, you can add little scratch marks, polka dots, you name it. You can also decorate your pot with any lines or shapes that you might like. And if you mess up, that's okay. Feel free to just wipe it away and try it again. Not a big deal. This is your part to experiment, so maybe if you haven't used a tool before, go ahead and try it out.